lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Well, last video, I was sad, still sad. I lost my Hero4 Silver. Well, usually I don't think it'd be a big deal if it wasn't like, this is my first GoPro. But I ended up buying a cheap-ass Chinese replacement. I think it's a Contour. It's right there. Try out a different angle. I only used it for a second in the garage, kind of checked the picture out. For the price I paid for it, I'm actually kind of impressed with it. Like, it came with a lot of fucking attachments. Like, I paid 30 bucks for it. Like I said, I'm actually kind of impressed. There ain't nobody in this lane. Shit. I'm actually kind of impressed with it. So we'll see how the footage comes out. I mean, whether it's bad or good, I'm gonna throw it in there just to see. But that's not what this video is about. ACWMOTO, link in the description, blah blah blah, made a video about I'm trying to think what the title exactly was. I think it was, when is it time to upgrade your motorcycle? And he got into a bunch of different good points and stuff like that, and I thought I would just kind of touch on that just a little bit. And some of the points he touched on is like beginner riders, what should they start out on, stuff like that. I am a firm believer in start out with what you're comfortable with, but for somebody to find out what they're comfortable with, they have to have, you know, a little bit of experience on different bikes. I've been riding pretty much my whole life. I think the very first time I ever got on a bike, I was around 5 years old. I'm 42, be 43 here in a couple weeks. So my thought is, get on what you're comfortable with, but you have to have willing friends or do test rides of some sort to let you use their bike. And ride what you're comfortable with. And that's pretty much the same thing ACWMOTO said. And let's say, for instance, damn, son of a bitch. Bitch, fucking dragonfly smashed all over my shit. Let's take, for instance, Nikki. I taught her to ride 3 years ago, and she started off, she bought herself a CBR 250R. That's what she started off with. And I categorize her as a natural. She is a natural rider. Didn't take much for her to get after it. The only thing I have yet to convince her of is to use her back brake. She hates using a back brake. She won't do it. It's like, use your back brake. Anyways, hops on a 600 after not even being on a bike in a year, fucking smokes me out. She's a natural. Other people I have seen straight out of never been on a motorcycle in their fucking life and hop on a goddamn Busa and be a natural, be able to ride it. Now I've seen people that's never ridden a bike before hop on a 250 and they should never touch a motorcycle again in their life. I'm going around this cock. Yep, bye. So that's how I kind of see it. I would say there are 3 levels of people. There's naturals, There's people that are good at riding, still probably shouldn't go too big of a bike ever in their life. And then there's people that should never get on a bike. As far as when is it time to upgrade your bike, that's completely up to you as a rider. Me being me, I've let's see if we get a scrape in here. Damn it, ran out of real estate. I've owned lots of different bikes in my lifetime. A shit ton. I don't upgrade or downgrade or anything like that. I just consider it as I got another bike. I don't see it as that. But I've been riding many years. I'm very experienced in bicyclers. I do dumb shit on Harley Davidson Softails. A lot of it comes down to the person and what they're actually comfortable with. Now you do get those some people that are like, oh yeah, I know I can do it, and they can't do it. You know, they get their ego is bigger than what their abilities are. Those are the kind of people that need to stay on like 600s or maybe 1200 Sportster, stuff like that. But you'll never convince those kind of people of that they need to stay on smaller bikes. Kind of hope this camera's going to work out alright at least. The mount, I was kind of impressed because it came with a mount that I really needed to get that straight view. And then as I tried to put it on, I realized, no, it isn't the kind of mount I need. It just ain't gonna work. But that's okay. I'll mount it to the back peg and see what kind of shots I can get. Well, I don't know. Go over, check out ACWMOTO's video. See about his take on what it is. Leave him a comment. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you guys think also. I try to encourage as many people as I can to ride, but there's also those people that you know them, you meet them, and then you talk to them and you're like, I'm not sure how you can even walk and chew bubble gum at the same time, let alone get on a bike. You know what I mean? Those kinds of people. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hit him with the crotch shot.
Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch!
Maybe to push that just a little bit further, what was your first bike? Let me know down in the comments. What was your first motorcycle and how long have you been riding? Leave a lot of comments, god damn it. That's it for this one. Let's go ahead and call it. That's all I really had to say. Leave your comments. Somebody put up a comment counter. Don't forget to like, share if you're new here. If you want to, hit that subscribe button. Everybody go over to ACWMOTO's channel, check him out. Hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Leave him a couple comments. Tell him Hollarmoto sent you. Whoop. He's a good dude. Him and his wife ride side by side. Not exactly side by side, but they ride together. So yeah, comment, like, share, subscribe. And as always, dream about me? I'll catch you on the flip side. Later.